Alright, Subpart G, Part 180, Chapter 1, Title 49. Subpart G, Qualification and Maintenance of Portable Tanks. Applicability. The subpart with the prescribed requirements and conditions for these contained in the Part 177, 171, 172, 173, 178, with the subject applicable to any person responsible for the continuing qualification and maintenance of the periodic retesting of portable tank. 18603 Qualification Portable Tank. Each portable tank used for the transportation hazardous material must be authorized in packaging. To qualify for the authorized packaging, each of the portable tank must conform with the requirements for the subchapter. The applicable design specification for the board which of the portable tank was constructed for the following portable tanks are authorized to provide with the conform the applicable safety requirements of the subchapter 51, 56, 57, 60, IM 101, IM 102, UN portable tank. The portable tanks meet with the definition contained with the must conform with the requirements for the part 450 and 453 of the four compliance of the Annex 2 for the Convention of Safety Containers. Exemption of portable tanks based on the DOT 51 portable tank. The owners of portable tanks constructed for the corners for the use and owner for the exemption issued for the prior August 30, 1996, with was in conform with the requirements for the specification DOT 51 portable tanks with the exemption to the location of the fill and discharge outlet shall examine the portable tank and its design to determine that it meets the outstanding outlet with the requirements effective for October 1st, 1996. For the owner determines whether the portable tank is compliant with all the requirements of the DOT 51 specification. The exemption number of the for the portable tank should be removed with the specification plate or plate adjacent with the specification plate should be durably marked F1E ****. The asterisks must be replaced with the exemption number during the period of the portable tank. The strip of the 1 year thereafter, other than portable tank, must be retained. The file principal plate for the business copy of the last exemption in effect. 8108-605 requirements of periodic testing and inspection repair with portable tanks. Portable tanks constructed in accordance with the DOT specification with the test and inspection specified in some part where the has become due for the being tested and inspected prior to being returned to the transportation condition requiring the testing and inspection of the portable tanks without regard for any other tests for the inspection requirements. The specification UN portable tanks must be tested and inspected with the corners of the section prior to the floor use of any of the following conditions. The portable tank should be evidence of the deadness, corroded, abraded air with leakage, any other condition that might render it unsafe for the condition and transportable. So that the portable tanks have an accident but that has not been damaged to the extent with the more made very adversely affect the ability to retain the hazardous material. 3. The portable tank has been out of the hazardous material transportation for a period of 1 year or more. The portable tank has been a modification of the original design specification. The portable tank is unsafe for the operational condition based on existing probable causes. Schedule for the periodic maintenance of the test. Each specification of portable tanks must be tested and inspected in accordance with the following schedule. Each IM and IUN portable tank must be given an initial inspection test before being placed in service of the periodic inspection test at least once every 5 years. The intermediate periodic inspection test at least every 2.5 years following the initial inspection of the last 5-year periodic inspection test. Each specification of the 51 portable tanks must be given the periodic inspection test at least once every 5 years. Each specification 56 and 57 portable tank must be given the periodic inspection test at least every 2.5 years. Each specification of the 60 portable tank must be given the periodic inspection test at any of the first 4-year period for the original test at least every 2 years thereafter. The total 12 years served with at least once annually thereafter. Retesting is not required for the rubber line and tank except for before each of the relining. Intermediate periodic inspection for the IM and non-portable tanks is the intermediate 2.5 periodic inspection test must include at least internal and external contamination. Portable tanks are fitting with the tank and account with the hazard material intended with it to be transported. Leakage check for the test is satisfactory operating with all sorts of equipment. Sheeting of the terminal installation, etc. needed only to be removed external required with a reliable appraisal of the condition of the portable tank. For the portable tanks intended for the transportation of single hazardous material for the internal examination may be waived with the leakage test according with the procedure in paragraph B of this section prior to each of the filling approved with the associated administrative portable tanks used for the dedicated transportation refrigerated liquefied gas that are not fitted with the inspection opening except for the internal inspection requirements. Periodic inspection test for the 5-year periodic inspection testing with include the internal to external examination unless for the expected with the pressure specified with the section sheathing and the thermal insulation, etc. not only to be removed with the extent with the required with reliable appraisal of the condition. The portable tank is except for the DOT specification 56 and 57. The portable tanks reclosing the pressure relief device must be removed without the tank of the test separately unless for that they can be tested while being installed with the portable tank. For the portable tanks where the shell with the equipment have been pressurized tested separately after the assembly, they may be subjected together to leakage tests effectively. Tested and inspected for the corrosion. Portable tanks used for the transportation of the refrigerated liquefied gas except with the requirements of the internal inspection for the hydraulic pressure test during the 5-year periodic testing and test is portable and tanks with the pressurized test minimum test pressure of the 1.3 times the design pressure used for the inert gas prescribed in 178 338 16A and B of the subchapter before putting in the portable top and test tank and serviceable initial after exemption inspection testing specified in paragraph F of this section. F. Exemptional inspection. The exemptional inspection test is necessary with the portable tank show for the evidence of damage, corroded air, with the leakage and other conditions that indicate the deficiency that could affect with the integrity of the portable tank. The extent of the exceptional inspection test must be dependent on the amount of the damage deterioration of the portable tank. That must include the least of the inspection pressure for the test. According to paragraph E of the section, pressure relief devices needs not to be tested, replaced, unless the reason for the relief of the relief device has been affected with the damage of the deterioration. G. Internal external examination. Internal and external examination must ensure the inspection of the pitting of the corrosion, abrasion, dents, and distortion defect of the welds, any other condition, including the leakage of the might rendered the portable tanks unsuitable for the transportation. The wall thickness must be verified appropriately. The measurement with the inspection indicate the reduction of the wall thickness. The pipe of the valve and gauges and gaskets are inspected for the corroded air. If the defect of the other conditions include leakage might render the portable tanks unsafe for the fill and discharge of the transportation. 3. Devices and tightening the manhole cover the operative if there is no leakage of manhole cover over the gasket. Missing a loose bolt knife with the flange connection from the blank flange or replaced and tightened. 5. All emergency devices involved are free from corrosion, distortion, and any of the defects that could prevent normal operation. Remote closure device and self-closing, stopping the valves is most operative to demonstrate the proper operation. Required marking for the portable tank are legible in accordance with the applicable requirements of the framework support with the arrangement of lifting the portable tank in the satisfactory condition. Pressure testing procedure for the specification 5156. 51, 56, 57, 60 IM and unportable tanks. Each specification for the 57 portable tank must be leak tested by a minimum sustained air pressure at least 3 psi gauge for the entire pressure of the entire tank. Each specification 51 56 portable tank must be tested with the minimum pressure air height straddle says 2 psi gauge for at least 1 1/2 of the design maximum. Allow all working pressure or re-rated pressure of the tank, which were the greater than leak tests of portable tanks with refrigerated liquid gas was performed at 90% of the MAWP, and leakage test for all other portable tanks must be all at pressure with at least 25% of the MAWP. During each for the air pressure for the entire surface of the joint under the pressure must be coated with immersed with a solution of the soap with the water, heavy oil with other material suitable for purpose of detecting leak of the measure may be held within a period of time with a sufficient long and ensuring the detection of the leaks in most cases no less than 5 minutes. During the air with a hydrostatic test, the relief device may be removed with all closure fitting, but the must be in place with the relief device opening plug. The leak lagging need not to be removed with the lagging tank with the possible to maintain required test of the pressure, constant temperature of the tank, disconnect with the source of the pressure. Alright, E2, each specification 60 portable tanks may reach the complete with the fill with the tank of the water. Other liquid having similar viscosity of the temperature of the liquid must not exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit during the test of applying the pressure for the 60 psi. Portable tank must be capable of holding the prescribed pressure for at least 10 minutes without leakage and evidence for the impending of the failure. With all other closures should be in place with the wall. The testing made pressure should be gauged at the top of the tank of the safety device if the vents shall be plugged during the test. Each specification IM unportable UN portable tank, the UN portable tank, even the non-refrigerated, refrigerated liquefied gas, all piping valve with accessory except for the pressure relief device must be hydrostatically tested by water or other liquid similar to density of the viscosity of the pressure, not less than 150% of the maximum level working the UN portable tanks. Using transportation non-refrigerated liquefied gas must be hydrostatically tested with water or other liquid similar to the density of viscosity of the pressure, not less than 130% of the maximum allowable working pressure. In portable tanks using the transportation refrigerated liquefied gases may be tested hydrostatically and pneumatically using an air gas pressure not less than 1.3 times the design pressure. The pneumatic testing during regard to the protection of all personnel must be taken in place because of the potential hazards in such a test. Pneumatic test pressure of the portable tanks must be reached gradually, increasing the pressure of the 1/2 of the test pressure. Therefore, after the test pressure must be increased in steps approximately 1/10 of the test pressure until the reach of the test pressure have been reached. The pressure must then be reduced to valve equally 4/5 of the test pressure held within sufficient time to permit inspection of portable tanks for the leaks. The maximum test pressure for a portable tank is determined by the base for the hazardous material that is intended for the transportation of the portable tank. For the liquid and solid non-refrigerated and liquefied gas, the minimum test pressure specified hazardous material is specified in the Apple T codes assigned with a particular hazardous material. And sections A statute 172-101 for table of the subchapter, while under pressure the tank should be inspected for leakage, distortion, and any other condition which might render tank unsafe for the condition. Portable tanks fail to meet the requirements of the pressure test during the test for the permitted distortion of the tank exceeding the permitted for the applicable specification. Any other leak if any other deficiencies would render the portable tank unsafe for the transportation. Portable tank failed for the rejected must not be used again for the transportation. Have the material unless the tank is adequately repaired. Therefore, after successful conducted in accordance with the requirements for the chapter paragraph, approval agency with witness hydrostatic pneumatic testing and damage deficiency where it rendered the portable tank unsafe for the server to prepare for the satisfaction with it. When it's approved by the agency, the required tank must be required for the original pressure test requirement. Upon successful completion of hydrostatic pneumatic test, the applicable witness approval agency shall apply with the name and identification marker and identifying name number in accordance with the paragraphs K of this section. Alright, rejection criteria. With the evidence of the unsafe conditions discovered, the portable tank may not be returned to the server until it has been repaired, the pressure tests are repeated and passed. J. The preparer of the portable tank is authorized to provide for the prepared such that made in accordance with the requirements prescribed in the specification of the tank, the original design, construction, in addition to any of the provision specification on portable tanks prepared for the cover the leakage of the cracks, and 2. They increase the likelihood of war the cracks near the area of the stress concentration due to the cooling, metal thick shrinkage, and welding operation sharp fillets, reversal of stress. Otherwise, no field welding may be done on except for the non-pressure parts, and cutting the burning of the weld operation on the shell and the IM on portable tanks must be done in approval of the approval agency done in accordance with the requirements of subchapter of the taking in account of the pressure vessel used for the construction by the pressure test for the original pressure that must be performed. The working pressure work is completed. Inspection test marking 1. The IM on UN portable tank must be durable, legible, and marked in English for the day of the month of the year. The last pressure test and identification mark with the approval agency witness for the test within the required of the day of the last visual inspection. The mating marking must be placed on the near metal identification plate with the last letters and numeral not less than 3 millimeters high on the wood, the metal identification plate, or 12 millimeters high on the portable tank. Alright, 2. Each specification, dot 51, 56, 57, and 60 portable tank must be durably legible, marked in English with the date of the month and year of the most recent periodic retest. The marking must be placed with the near of the metal certification plate must be in accordance with the statute 178.3 with the subchapter 11 Roman rules must not be less than 3 millimeters high within the metal certification plate, 12 millimeters high on the portable tank, except for the portable tank manufactured with the previously authorized specification may continue to be marked with a smaller marking example of the original authorized on the specification. For example, the dot specification for 57 portable tanks. Record retention. The owner of each of the portable tanks is authorized agent shall retain the written record of the result of all required inspection testing, including the ASME manufacturer's data report with the application name and the address of the person performing the inspection, according with the applicable specification manufacturer's data report, including certificate signed by the manufacturer of the authorized design approval agency, and is applicable to indicating compliance with the applicable specification portable tank that must be retained in the file for the owner and authorized agent does during the time of such a portable tank is used for the service except for the specification of 56 and 57 portable tanks. Alright, Appendix A, I don't read the appendixes, but that's that completes part 180. 180, continuing qualification maintenance of packaging.